free to tag me on unaanza. Hey guys, welcome once again to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lydiaa, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I really appreciate you, and I really thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. And for the new ones, you're very much welcome. On this channel, we do cooking, we do fashion, and we do other kind of videos, other kind of stuff, and we do post on Tuesdays and Friday. Tuesday we do cooking videos, and on Friday we do fashion or any other kind of video. So please consider subscribing to this channel for more videos every Tuesday and Friday. Into this video, guys, we'll be recreating some Instagram posts. Yes, I'll be taking some influencers, like try to recreate like their clothes that they're wearing, try to recreate their posts and see how it's going to look. So yeah, that's what we're going to do today. Today is a recreation video. The first one will be Elizabeth Michael, aka Lulu. She's a Tanzanian actress. Yeah, she does act in movies. That's what she does mostly. She also has a YouTube channel where she does mostly cooking. Yeah, once in a while. Yeah, this is her Instagram, as you can see. Yes, and I will be recreating this specific post of hers where she's wearing like a jeans and then the top and red shoes. That's what we're going to be doing. So let me post the pictures, hers and mine, and see how it does look. So I'll be also telling you the price that I bought the clothes. The jeans, I got it at 300 Kenyan shillings, which is around $3, guys. And then the top, I got it at 100 Kenyan shillings, which is around $1. How cool is that, guys? How cool is that? So, yeah, the next one is Wanjiru Njiru. I really like this girl. She looks, I don't know her in person, but she looks very humble and very cute. Yeah, she's a YouTuber and she's a Kenyan. I love her sense of fashion. She does fashion videos also on YouTube. She does cute stuff. You can check her. I will leave her Instagram handle here. You can check her on Instagram. Yeah, and then I'll be recreating this photo of hers that she was wearing a blue jeans and a hamper. Yes, I could not get a black hamper, so I did a red hamper. I got the jeans at 200 Kenyan shillings, which is around $2, and the hamper at around 150, which is around $1.5. Yes, guys, I know it is so cheap. So I'll be posting her picture and mine. So I guess I'll put them in black and white so that they can look a little bit alike. I don't know, you guys, what do you guys think? Black and white? I guess black and white did work well. Yeah, I guess black and white can work. And the third one is Tiamor. I guess I got it right. Tiamor. I don't know. If I'm wrong, I'm really sorry. This is the feelings or the challenge that you get when you speak to like French and English. Sometimes you try to read something in French, yet it is in English, and then sometimes you try to read something in English, yet it is in French. So I'm really sorry. So yeah, she'll be our third person, and she's an actress. You can check one of her show on Netflix. It is called Family Reunion. If you want to laugh, it is really a nice one. Yeah, and then she has also this movie that she acted with her twin sister. You should check that movie out. It's a really nice one, but I can't remember the name. I'm sorry. So yeah, this is her Instagram handle if you want to check her out. and she also has a YouTube channel. So I'll be recreating this one post of hers that she was wearing blue jeans, a vest inside, and a jacket, a blue jacket. Yeah, my jeans, I got it at 500 Kenyan shillings, which is around $5. The top, I got it at, should I say it or should I not say it, at 50, yeah, 50 Kenyan shillings, which is around $0.5. And the jacket, I got it at 200, which is around $2.5. Yeah, $2.5. I can't, yeah, $2.5. So the full outfit is around, do the calculations. No, okay, on this video I want to be included the price of the shoes because I'm still yet to find a place where someone can get cheap shoes. If you would love me to do a video and show you where you can get the clothes at a very cheap price, please let me know in the comment section and I'll be glad to do that one. Yeah, so this is her photo and this is mine. Do the clothes match? Please let me know in the comment section, guys, if it is a yes or if it is a no. So yeah. The third one is Anita Akufo. I got it right. She's a journalist. She's Ghanaian. Yeah, she has a sense of fashion. The first time I saw her pic like on Instagram suggestion, I was like, wow, I had to follow her. I really like her sense of fashion and everything. She got my attention. Yeah, and this is her Instagram handle, and I'll be recreating this specific photo of hers that she was wearing a black jeans, a black shirt. Is it a Versace? I don't know. Shirt and a bag and black shoes. Yeah, that's what we'll be recreating this time around. I got my jeans at around 600, which is around $6, and then I got my shirt at around 500, which is around $5. Yeah, and so this is her and this is me. This was a really struggle, guys, to try to recreate this post, like the way she was just laughing and throw the bag away. I was like, I did like 50 shots to try to get it right and I got it wrong. But I guess the thing is, like, she got as you can see, and I got nothing. Only God knows. So yeah, she's our fourth one. Yeah, I guess she's the fourth one. And the next one is Aishata Toure. She's a fashion addict, as she said on her Instagram handle. I really like her fashion. I really like her sense of fashion. And then the post that I'll be recreating of hers is this short skirt, a shirt and a blazer, a blue blazer, and white shoes. This is the photo that we'll be recreating of hers. Yeah. So this is her and this is me. Please, guys, let me know in the comment section if I nailed it or if it is just a fail. So the purpose of this video, I was just trying to help a sister out there who like to look cute, who would love just to look fancy but doesn't know how to dress up, or maybe she might be thinking like, for you to be classy or for you to look good, you have to buy expensive clothes. No, what I would advise you, just know your body type. Know the kind of clothes that fit you well. Know the kind of clothes that when you put on the clothes, you feel more comfortable. Don't go for things that you think, this person has it and she looks fine. No, the clothes that makes you comfortable, you should go for them, and makes you feel like, you're good to go. So yeah, that is one. The second one is know the colors that matches with your skin tone. Because there's some people green is okay for them, and others green is just a no, and others like orange is perfect on their body, but when others wear orange is like a Christmas tree, or I don't know, like a ghost. Yeah, other people when they put on black, when you see her, oh, you just have to run. And other people like black is their color. Just know your skin tone and know the colors that matches with your skin tone. And like for me, I know like pink is my color. If I wear something that is pinkish or something, yeah, that bring out like they may like bright colors. I love bright colors because they are my colors. I don't know if I'm making sense. Am I making sense, guys? I don't know. I guess I'm making sense. So yeah, know your body shape. Don't go for cute stuff, but go for comfortable stuff that will make you look cute and make you look fancy. Secondly, know your body color. Okay, your skin tone. Know your colors. When I'm talking about body type, I'm talking about your shape, like the shape of your body. There's some people when they wear tight stuff, they look perfect because their body is just for tight stuff. And there's some people when they wear like tight stuff, you just run. And the other people like when they wear like loose stuff, they look amazing. And others when they wear like loose stuff, they just look like I don't know, a bag of what? I don't know. So yeah, I guess you guys are getting what I'm trying to say. Just know your body shape, then know the color that matches with your skin tone, the colors that bring out your color. Okay, the colors that bring out your color. So yeah, I guess you guys get me. And don't and the last one, you don't have to buy expensive clothes. You don't have to buy expensive clothes. So guys, we'll be doing these recreation videos once a month. Feel free to tag me on Instagram post. Feel free to tag me on the pictures that you guys would love to see us recreate in the future. Recreate on our next video. This is the end of our video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you guys had fun watching this video, and if you'd love me to recreate more of this content, let me know in the comment section. Or if you guys would love me to show you where I got the clothes from, let me know in the comment section and I'll be glad to do that video. And also feel free to tag me at any Instagram post or any picture that you will love us to recreate again. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't leave without subscribing. Hit the red button and hit the notification bell for new videos every Tuesday and Friday. Bye. Ciao. See you. Stay safe and stay positive. Bye.